Hello friends, welcome to Only Technical channel. Today we are going to discuss the latest chart of top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, Binance and much more. After lots of consolidation, finally cryptos are showing some move. So what could be your profit booking levels? What could be the next resistances for them? All we are discussing on the charts. So stay tuned with me on Only Technical channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it for these type of important videos. So guys, let's start with the world largest cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. Here we are using Bitcoin Tether USD pair with the daily candle. As you know, after the consolidation of 2.5 months between the level of 40,000 and 30,000, it has given the breakout and now made a recently high of 50,500. But now it is entering the resistance. You can see from the chart that this level of 50,000 to 52,000 is very crucial and it can act as resistance for the Bitcoin. Further, this trend line can also act as a resistance. So here you can book some profit. However, I'm not saying that chart of Bitcoin is not bullish. It is very bullish, but I'm talking about some corrections and resistances, the levels you can watch out for. So 50,000 to 52,000 is the next resistance area for Bitcoin on the breakout of this trend line, and the level to watch out for is 52,500. Above this level you can re-enter for the target of 56 and 58,000. If you continue to hold, if you want to hold it, then you can put SL for a very short term trader. The SL should be 48,000. Below 48,000 it can go down further to test its 200 days moving average, which is around 46, and it can further test its near term support of 44,000 US dollar. Below 44,000 US dollar, I think you must have to exit, as below this level it can go down further and test its 50 days moving average, which is around 39400. So this is the latest chart analysis of Bitcoin. As per chart, Bitcoin is near to some resistance and can show some correction. However, the chart is actually very bullish and you can re-enter on the breakout of this trend line. I have told you the level, so you have to plan accordingly. Let's move on to our next chart, which is Ethereum Tether USD pair with the daily candle. Here Ethereum is looking very bullish on the charts, and on the breakout of level of 3370 it can test level of 3700, then further it can go up to the level of 4100, and even it can go and made all time high around 45 to 4600. So on the chart Ethereum is looking very bullish, and for very short term traders you can put SL of 3100, and for medium term traders SL should be 2920. Below 2920 it can go down and test its 50 days moving average, which is around 2550. So as per latest chart of Ethereum, it is looking very bullish. Just wait for the breakout of 3370. Now let's move on to our next chart. Cardano is also looking very bullish on the chart. In fact, it has one of the most bullish chart among the top cryptocurrencies. So I think you can continue to hold Cardano, though it is somewhat overbought zone, but you can continue to hold it for the target of 3.5 to 3.6 US dollars, and please put SL around 2.3. SL is very important, so 2.3 must be your SL for the target of 3.6. Please continue to hold Cardano, it is very bullish. Binance is also looking very bullish on the chart, especially after the breakout of its previous swing high, which is around 430, and also the breakout of this channel. So I think you continue to hold Binance for the target of 550 and then 600. Your SL should be around 385. Now it is the turn for XRP, which is looking somewhat range bound to me. You have to wait for the breakout of 1.36, where you can buy for the target of 1.6 and 1.7 dollar, and don't forget to buy it around $1. If it is coming in that area, please buy it $1 is it's very good support. Matic is now facing resistance from 1.73 to 1.74 level, so here you can book profit and re-enter above I think 1.75 for the target of $2, or you can also buy it around 1.5 where it can also get support of this trend line. And the last chart for today is of VeChain. I think VeChain can go further up to the level of 0.155. It if it closes above the level of 0.14. So continue to hold VeChain with the SL of 0.1120. If I compare all the chart of cryptocurrencies we have discussed today, so I think Ether, Cardano and Binance, these three charts for me are very bullish, and you can trade accordingly in these cryptocurrencies. And if you like my analysis, then do share my video and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.